Welcome back. We created the model class and the data class for this response that contains 4 key value pairs: page, results, total pages, and total results. Everything is okay, but we have a nested element here, which is an array. So the key is results and the value is an array of 20 objects. We have 14 key value pairs. We need to create a data class, a model class for this array called result. Okay, so this is the first movie. This is the second movie, and you can see key value, 14 key value pairs. Let's create this model class. I'll name it as movie, but I'll not create it like this. I'll create it using JSON schema to Pojo website. There are a lot of websites that generate plain old Java objects from JSON or JSON schema. And this is one of the best websites to create and generate plain old Java objects from JSON response. I'll copy it and paste it here. I'll paste the whole response. Select JSON. I'll annotate style with GSON and click preview. When you click preview, you can see this is the first class, and exactly as we have created before. You can see it: page, results, total pages, and total results. And this is what we've done before. The second class is here called result, and the result is an array of movies that contains 14 key value pairs: adult, backdrop path, genre IDs, ID, original language, and so on. You can see how this amazing website save a lot of time for us to create such plain old Java objects. Okay, so this class, we've done it in the previous video. In this video, I'll copy this. And by the way, you can specify the package name. So if you go up, you can see the package. I'll copy the package, com.mrcoding.themovie app. And what is the class name? I'll name it as movie. If I click on preview, you can see the result class, what we are going to create, and the movie here. Okay, so I'll copy all of these getters and setters and the fields and paste it here, and I'll change the name of the class to the movie. Okay, there are a lot of fields that we're not going to fetch or display in our application, so I'm not going to display all of these 14 fields. I'm going to display the image, the description, the overview, and the title, and the release date. You can delete everything that you're not going to display. So I kept the ID, original title, overview, poster path, release date, title, and vote average. You can also remove the original title because the title here is the same. Okay? And all the errors, you can remove them because these are the getters for the deleted fields.